Welcome back to another video of Creative Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bring your picture back to life using Camera Raw filter. So let's get started. Right click on the image and click Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter and Camera Raw filter. Also, you can use the shortcut Shift plus Ctrl plus A to open the Camera Raw filter window. Add some contrast. Add some highlights. Adjust the shadows. Increase the whites. Adjust the blacks. Increase the clarity. Increase the vibrance. Now go to Tone Curve settings. You can also adjust highlights and shadows from here. Go to Detail and add some luminance. Click OK. Now disable and enable the filter to analyze the results. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.